Want to crush the PTE right from dictation? It's one of the most challenging parts of the PTE exam, but with the right strategies, you can master it. Follow these steps and you're golden. Let's dive in. First, listen carefully to the entire sentence before you start writing. This is crucial. Make sure you understand the context and the structure of the sentence. You need to catch every word. Got it? Great! Don't rush. Take a deep breath and focus on the speaker's intonation and pauses. Next, practice your typing speed. The faster you type, the more you can focus on accuracy. Use typing software to improve your speed and accuracy simultaneously. But remember, speed without accuracy is no good. Balance is key. Aim for a steady pace that allows you to type correctly. Tip 3. Use shorthand or abbreviations for tricky words. This can save you time. Develop a system of abbreviations that you can quickly expand later. Just make sure you expand them correctly once you've got the sentence down. Accuracy matters. Double-check your expanded notes for any errors. Fourth, improve your spelling and grammar. Even one small mistake can cost you points. Regularly review common spelling and grammar rules. Practice makes perfect. Use resources to brush up on these skills. Consider using grammar apps and online exercises to test your knowledge. And finally, practice, practice, practice. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice right from dictation exercises. Use online tools and resources to get better every day. There are many available. Join study groups or forums to share tips and get feedback. Remember, confidence comes from preparation. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. So keep at it, and you'll ace that right from dictation in no time. Good luck. Stay positive and persistent. Believe in yourself, and stay dedicated. Your hard work will pay off. You've got this. Keep pushing forward and success will follow. Trust in your abilities and keep striving for improvement.